Tracking transactions can be challenging with a busy restaurant. With Sapaad, you can seamlessly view the bills settled by each cashier to monitor their accuracy and ensure accountability. In this video, let's learn how to view bills settled by a particular cashier in Sapaad. On your Sapaad account's dashboard page, proceed to the Sales tab. Locate the Total Orders widget and expand it. Here you can also filter the date range to view bills settled within a particular period. Select the staff whose report you wish to view from the Received By dropdown. In this page, you can access detailed information about settled bills, including the order number, order type, payment type, and its total amount. To view a bill's receipt and order history, click its order number. A pop-up window will show the receipt. Select Status History for the order's complete status history. Additionally, a table below the total orders information displays the total tips received, total tax, total number of orders, and total amount. And there you have it. You've just learned how to view the bills settled by a particular cashier on Sapaad dashboard. Make sure to check out our video on how to change access rights and permissions in Sapaad. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.